In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view shift bid line information. Your shift bid lines are what will eventually become your shifts. To do this, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your location selected. You do need to be at a specific location in order to work with bidding. Then choose Bidding. Select a shift bid you would like to view lines for. I'll choose this June one. You should arrive at your status page. Make sure you're in Setup mode, then go to your new top menu bar and choose Setup. From the drop-down menu, select Lines. You should arrive at a list of the lines you have already created. Right now I can see the name I have given this shift bid line, the pattern, which days of the week this person is and is not working. So green means that they would be working that day, and gray means they would not be. The station this line is assigned to, the start time, the end time, the total hours in this line, the capacity, how many people could work this same line, available, how many slots are available, and the total hours. If I click on the pattern for a line, let's say this one, I can see when this person would be working. Right now I'm viewing the current month, and I'm viewing a whole month at a time. So blue is showing me the days this person would be scheduled, and in the gray box is what times they would work. I can also view this as a week. To do that, click on Week, and now I'm seeing what this person's week would look like. If I scroll down, I can see when these shifts begin and end. And this red line next to 3 is showing what time it currently is where you're viewing this schedule. Right now I'm viewing the total hours in the day. If I want, I can click Show Business Hours. And now I'm only seeing the business hours set up for this location. I'm going to go back to Show Full Day. This is a restaurant, which is why this person is working so late. If I scroll back up to the top, right now I'm viewing the current week. If I want to view a later week, I can use the forward or backward arrows. So I'll click forward, and now I'm viewing the next week. I could click forward again and view even farther. To return to today, just click the Today button. That's how you can view your lines in a calendar. If I click List, now I'm viewing my lines in a list. I can see the date, the hours, and the station for each individual shift this person would work. If I scroll down, you can see the whole shift bid is here. To exit out of this, click Close. If instead of clicking on the line's pattern, I click on the line's name, I can view different information. So I'll click on this first one, Afternoons. If I choose Calendar, I will see that same calendar view. If I choose History, I can view the history of this line. I can see when changes were made, what change was made, the source or the line that was affected, the summary, who made those changes, and what they were for. That's how you can view the history of a line. To exit out of this menu, click Close. That's how you can view your bid shift lines information. Check out the next video to learn the various ways you can add new lines to a bid shift.